Well, the tussle for water between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka is back in the news. On one hand, Karnataka is insisting on the construction of a dam along the Kaveri River. On the other, you've got the Tamil Nadu government up in arms against this project. Between all of this, Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa met with the Union Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. The centre has assured Karnataka to look into their demands. The 9,000 crore rupees Mekidatu project remains a long-standing point of friction between the two states.
Tamil Nadu and Karnataka are locked again and an intense water showdown, this time over the Mekidatu reservoir plan. Karnataka has been pushing hard for the construction of a dam along the Kaveri River, and Tamil Nadu government is up in arms against the project. In a development that will have the M.K. Stalin government on edge, Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa met the Union Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and sought the centre's support.
We have discussed in detail almost all the irrigation projects,
including Mekidatu.
So definitely in the coming days we are going to complete all the things, and he is going to help us from the centre, and he is ready to help us in all respects.
He has urged for the clearances which are pending before the Government of India. The DPR has been submitted to CWC and it has been referred to Kaveri Monitoring Board, and he has promised to look into the whole issues and give us justice to Karnataka.
The centre has so far taken a balanced stand, assuring the Karnataka government they will look into their demands.
I have assured that we will look deep into the issues pertaining to the state of Karnataka. We will organize a meeting there in Delhi for that.
The Chief Minister's meet with the Union Minister has angered farmers in Tamil Nadu. Protests broke out in the state against the Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa. Tamil Nadu, meanwhile, is digging in its heels. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin held an all-party meeting on Monday, and all parties promised to stop the construction of the reservoir at all costs.
Mr. M.K. Stalin has been successful in creating an unanimous opinion among all the political parties in the state of Tamil Nadu, and all of them are going to go meet the Prime Minister, the central government, impress upon them that this project, which is against the Supreme Court judgment, which is an illegality, should not go.
In Karnataka too, opposition parties have rallied behind the B.S. Yediyurappa government and said all steps must be taken to ensure water supply to Bengaluru.
It is an opportunity for the BJP government here. Since they have a government at the centre and they have a government here, they should work it out and see that the Mekidatu project happens.
Now, with both Karnataka and Tamil Nadu hardening their stance on the Mekidatu project, the ball is now firmly in the court of the centre, which needs to mediate in order to find an amicable solution for both the states and also both its people. With video journalist Madhuar, Nolan Pinto for India Today.